What is going on, you guys? It's Justin Smitty here. Today, I am going to be unboxing a Alola Pokemon collection box with this guy right here. His name is Solgaleo. Got the 3 starters right there: Popular, Litten, Mallet, and the pin. And we got at least 5 boosters in there, and we got the jumbo card for this guy. This guy right here, and the action video, of course. So, make sure you guys go check out all the Facebook groups that allowed me to advertise my YouTube channel in. And I'm just gonna try to find my knife. Let's get this bad boy open. Fast motion. Oops. There's my knife. This thing here is huge, like really huge. So fast motion, I should say. 3, 2, 1, go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, I am back. Okay, so far, everything's all good. First of all, we got this amazing action figure of Solgaleo. Yeah. And then we got this nice little pin of him, putting him straight in my pin collection soon. Put him to the side over here. Same with him. And then the cards, we got Popular, Litten, and Mallet. They're all reverse hollows. And then we got this amazing full art. Big card, jumbo card I should say, Solgaleo. And then here is the card for the code. If you guys want it, make sure you guys tell me which ones you get, I should say. And then we got 1 evolutions pack, 1 steam stage, 1 breakpoint, another evolution pack, and 1 fates collide. So let's do the evolution packs last, steam stage for third, breakpoint second, and the fates collide first. So let's open up the packages. That was easy to open because they might not be an ultra rare. To be honest, I am really hoping for the reverse hollow of the Charizard Pokemon card of the basic in the evolution box. Not box, the packages. So first off, you started with the Hollow Chair, Power Memory, Old Ember Aerodactyl, Bronzor, Walu, Jigglypuff, Meowth, Barnacle, the first hollow of a Charnacle, and the non-hollow of a Minibuzz. Crappy pull so far, but we can do it. Let's try to get a break card in this breakpoint pack. Now it's easy to open, I guess. card for you guys. Code, I should say. 3 from the back. Trino. Sudowoodo. Special Energy. Fufu. Fortress. Tropish. Electabuzz. Foki. The first hollow of a Shinx. And a hollow Slowking. That's a good one. I like it. So far, so good. Now, Steam Stage. Come on, Steam Stage. Help me get a good Ultra card. Ooh, this is tough. Tough to open. Toughy. This is tough one. Go back. Here's the code for you. 3 from the back. Make sure you guys take one code at a time, so everyone will have a chance to get one. So we got a Drifloon here, a Swallows, a Glorfossil, Quilgonk, Mareep, Litwick, Hoppip, Meowth, first hollow of a Sneasel, non-hollow rare, I think it's non-hollow rare, yeah, Yamega, crap, okay, 3 point was shit. Now, comes down to the last 2 packages. Let's do Raichu first. Come on. Come on, man. Shit. Come on. Come on. The struggle is real, guys. I need a pair of scissors. Alright. Card, code, 3 from the back. Okay, guys, we got a coffee. Ooh! Flying Pikachu! And it's a secret rare! Holy! Oh my god! This makes up for the whole box. Secret rare, Flying Pikachu. Haunter, Voltorb, Weedle, Rattata, Tangela, Staryu, Reverse Trainer, Spirit, and a Voltorb. Man! Oh god! And now, down to the last pack, guys. What? Yeah? Sorry, I'll be right down. Code 3 Full Heal, Choke, Switch, Staryu, Dugtrio, Ponyta, Tangela, Weedle, Reverse Vulpix, Regular Rare, Rattata. Well, guys, we got good pulls. Hold on. So we got a Hollow Slowking, Hollow Violet, Hollow Popular, Hollow Litten, and Secret Rare Flying Pikachu, plus this jumbo card of the Solgaleo. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.